guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we just got back from the vet. We're super excited. You know why? Coffee's back. Look at him, Coffee. Coffee, come here. Look at him. The cute little Coffee face. Look at Coffee.
Hey, Coffee. You gotta stay back there. No,
No, Coffee. Stay.
Okay.
Coffee just got back from the vet.
So we are super excited. He's feeling better. He's doing a lot healthy.
We got a
looking
little
healthy.
bit of medicine for him.
He's got some medicine, some antibiotic medicines,
So,
and
we're just gonna give it to him.
don't keep it on the floor. Keep it with you, baby.
And
We're gonna take him home and put him with the other goats and see how he does. All right.
see you guys. Bye.
Bye. Coffee's back.
Hey guys, so welcome back. So we have Coffee here with us. He's enjoying a little snack of his own. He's eating by himself. Doing really good. He's remembering everyone now. He follows again. He follows everyone again. He's just enjoying himself, aren't you, little buddy?
He's feeling a lot better.
Yeah. Look at him. You're shedding a lot.
Yeah, he's losing his winter coat.
But he's looking really good. He's eating all his food by himself. Yeah, you're shedding a lot, Coffee.
You happy so?
Yeah. Last time we saw him, he wasn't doing that great. I really missed him. I was so excited when we got to the vet. We were just waiting in line. I was like, come on, bring Coffee out now. And then finally we brought him out and I was like, yes, Coffee. Coffee Kittens is back. Wait, I'll just save this for later.
What are you doing, Aaron?
I was gonna feed him. Coffee even missed. Well, he missed the fun we had on the other days. Made him a nice. Oh, and when the baby goats bleated over there, Coffee looks up at them and he looks at the fence, and they kept on bleating. And Coffee just looked up and looked around. Then the baby goats. To them and was just like, and then he walks around. Look at the baby goats. They're just like. And then he goes to the. Hey, Coffee. He goes to the glass table over there, and he bumps his head on the top, and he looks up and he bumps his head on the top, and he bumps his head on the side. Yeah, he's a grazing bush now. Looking for. What are you doing? Hold. It's not cold.
It's not that cold, buddy.
Okay, well, you're wearing a pair of shorts. But it's not that cold. Like, I could wear shorts. Like, yeah, it's nice though. Look at him, though. Little guy. I really missed you.
Yeah.
He has a lot of weight to catch up on.
Well,
yeah. He's what now, a year old? We got him. He was
8
born
months
in
old.
August. Right? He's 8 months old. August.
Like 7, 8 months old.
8 months old.
Yeah, he's still a baby.
I made him a nice little hand leash. So if you want a leash to be short or long, so if you want it to about 8 months old. So if you want the leash to be long, you just do it out until it's like this. And if you want the leash to be short, you just do it until you're short in the length, and then you just hold it right there. Not bad. And then to elongate it. And then if you want to untie the leash, you just do this. Simple step. You just do this. You just pull, and then ta-da! Yes, I invented that technique myself. Tap. Swerve around. Up through. Hey, Coffee. Yeah, I must get back to food. There's an orange kernel of corn. You can take him for a little run.
Well, let's not making exercise right now. We'll just take him for like little quiet walks. But we'll let him graze and we'll give him some hay and stuff.
Imagine going to the park and like walking your goat, and then like all the dog walkers are just like, what in the world?
You probably walk with the baby goats and put them on a leash.
I wish
Walk them
I
around
could
the
walk.
park.
You probably wouldn't have to
To the
walk
park
the baby
with
goat.
an
He'd
elephant.
probably
They
go
just
ahead.
follow us. I wish I could.
Well, I'm glad his
Walk-
sight is back. He
go
can
to
see
the
around.
park.
Well, he can see
Yeah,
partially.
I wish I could walk
How do you know?
in the
Because
park.
that's what the...
Walk my elephant
said.
in the park.
He can't see fully, and that's why he ran into the table over there.
And
But he can see, like, colors, I'm pretty sure. Like, he can
And
actually see
he-
stuff now.
and
Like,
he,
when he saw us, he started following us to where we were going. And then Aaron and John ran back there to close the door, and he ran back, and I was like, ah,
Mm.
and he's a good follower goat. Daddy.
Mm.
I wish I could take my elephant to the park, and everyone will think, what? Why? That wasn't taking an elephant to the park.
Do you have an
He's-
elephant?
No.
Apparently.
I'm talking about when I grow older.
There you go.
Here you go.
Finish it a little bit, buddy. Alright, so coffee's feeling better, and
He's eating.
he's eating, so we'll
Hey,
let you know the progress on how he does later.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Coffee Beans is eating well, which is good. Come on, buddy, go ahead and eat. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. So that is good. As long as he eats well. We'll let her check up on him later.